Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Job. If you are a Scrum Master, then this video is for you, and please don't skip this video because I have a fantastic opportunity for all the Scrum Masters, because close to 50 requirements are there for Scrum Master in my organization, and I am looking out for people across locations in India, so we don't have any location constraint. So let me go with the Scrum Master details, what I am looking out for in this video. So basically, Scrum Master with Agile experience will be an added advantage, because a lot of people has been upgraded or moved to Agile, because a lot of companies has skipped using waterfall methodology right now. So we need an Agile expertise or Agile related Scrum Master. And if you are an Agile coach, well and good, because I have one more opportunity for Agile Coach as well. Again, the location is not a constraint. So basically, what a Scrum Master does. So Scrum Master is someone who has to lead a team, who has to run the everyday Scrum call, who has to show the root case of the project which he or she is going to take care of. So this is what the role is, and Agile is must, which is very important for this role. The Scrum Master should have experience handling minimum 15 to 20 people, or 8 people is also fine, because I have the opening starting from 8 years to 15 years. Based on your experience, we will give you the grades and we will match you in this role. Basically, if you have not handled more than 8 also, not a problem. We are okay with that, but we need a strong Scrum Master who has decent communication skills, who also have helped or supported product owners, business analysts, or the solution architects in helping out in Scrum meetings. This is what we are looking out for. I have given the complete job description in this description of this video. Also, my email ID has been attached. So if you are looking out for a job role or job change, and if you want to switch your job, feel free to share your resume to me. And if you have any doubts with regards to this opportunity, feel free to write me in the email. I will surely respond to you soon as possible. And one more best part is, we don't have any location constraint. In terms of compensation, we can match the best compensation in the industry, so don't worry about the compensation as well. In terms of company, I cannot disclose right away for the company which I am working at present. So share your resume, rest we can discuss briefly in the email. And I'll give you my contact number as well when we discuss in the email. Thank you guys, and don't forget to share this video to the Scrum Masters who are looking out for a job in the market. And 90 days again is not a constraint. If you have 90 days notice, feel free to share your resume to me. Surely I'll get in touch with you. Thanks for watching this video.